Hello everyone. In today's video, we will discuss how to add a header in Google Doc. Let's just start the video. Open your Google Doc. You can see this page. What you have to do on the top side, just double click on the page like this. You can see the header option is open. You can see here. Now write anything that you want to enter on your header. Let's suppose you can take this as an example. Press enter. Now come outside on the header and just double tap like this. You can see the header is placed. Now if you want to remove the header, what you have to do is again double click on this header. You can see here options, click on options. Now you can see here remove header. Just click on remove header. You can see that the header is removed. And another way to open your header is you can just click on format, and here you can see headers and footers. Just click on this. Now edit the size of your header. Like I want this 1 inch. Click on apply. Now again double tap on the header. You can see the margin is increased. So this is the way to add header in your Google Doc. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.